Hello friends, what are we drawing today? Vegetables. Let's start with broccoli. It's quite simple. Draw a cloud-like shape and then the stem. And an outline to go. Let's color it green. A lighter green for the stem. Then let's work on the shading. I like broccoli in soup. Do you also like broccoli soup? We are done with broccoli. Next vegetable is carrot. First the leaves, then the carrot. Easy, right? Don't forget the outline. Let's color green for the leafy stem. And orange for the carrot. And now the shading. I love carrot cakes. Do you also like them? The carrot looks yummy, right? We are done. Next vegetable is corn. Let's draw corn, an oval shape and the husk below. Time for the outline. Let's color it yellow. Green for the husk. Time to work on the shading. I love the popcorn. Do you like it too? Draw lines like these to show all the seeds. Yay! Yummy corn! Ready. Next is, can you guess? Green peas. Time for the outline. Let's color it green neatly. Keep the green going. Now some shading. And we are done with green peas. Next is a tomato. Yes, this looks like a tomato. Green for the leaf. And red for the tomato. Finally, some shading. We're almost done. It looks great. Wonderful job drawing all the vegetables. Keep drawing, keep it colorful.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!